I think I'm going to start working on the old station wagon. So if you're interested in the 71 Monterey station wagon with the 429, stick around. So the first thing I want to do, well, last week I did a cold start on it. Everybody got to see that. Hopefully it's in the video. Today I've been saving parts in this thing for like 2 years, and as I buy stuff I put it in the back here, and I think today I'm going to open it up, see what I actually have or don't have, so I know what I have to get and what I have. So let's see how it works. Okay, so I think I said in one of the other videos, this is some trim for the sweep on the window. So what this is, I bought it, I had to buy it in bulk. It's for the, I think it's the interior, maybe the exterior. No, it's the exterior water seal. So I know what this one is. So that's what this is. I need to keep that. Maybe later on we'll open it up. Here's that exterior sweep that I bought, and here's the original. You can tell it doesn't sweep anything since it's dry rotted, but it appears to be the same size. The only difference is that this chrome is a little bit wider, but I could probably make that work. So in the future you're going to see a video of me trying to make this work. I'm probably going to use screws. You know, they screwed on and then they had the clips. So once I can figure out where to get the clips, that's what we're gonna do. And some of this stuff's gonna go in a dumpster. Here is the door panel I took off from the front driver's side. It's good. It just, I had to take it off to get to these sweeps because they're wore out. And I'm trying to figure out where I can get some for a 71 station wagon. So that's high on the list right there. And as I showed in some of the other videos, I bought some bulk door sealers so that I could save about $400 on these door seals. I have a video, and I think I'll try and annotate it somewhere around here, but so you know where to go get these. So I'm going to hold on to those. Here are the door handles from the front door that I just showed you that I took off. So let's go over here with this. Got stuff for days. So this is an extra fan that I'm going to keep. Here's some bracketry from when I took and I worked on the air conditioner. Some extra pieces, parts, so at some point in time I'll have a drawing, or I mean, some of these parts are good parts, I just didn't have to use them. So I'll probably give them away, maybe have a 250 or 500 subscriber drawing. All right. Ooh, brand new floor mats. I think they're for my F-250. It may be for my wife's car. I think there might be for one of them, because we both have like WeatherTech type floor mats. I guess I could sell these too, but I'm going to hang on to these. These don't go in the dumpster. Maybe. I'm seeing a trend. I haven't thrown anything out yet, so I have to look up that part number. All right, now I'm getting to some stuff. And if you see anything you really need, just let me know, and I'll, you know, if you pay for shipping, I'll probably give it to you. But here's a bunch of AC hoses, pre-made. They actually came with one of the kits, because I bought a kit that wasn't specific to my car, so it came with extra hoses. But then got a whole lot more. So if you see anything you might need, because there's the supply, you know, the liquid and the discharge, hit me up and we'll check out the sizes and so forth. All right, now we're getting into some of the goodies. So as you can see, it's been here so long that the bags are getting brittle. But this is sway bar bushing. Keeping that. Two more sway bar bushings. I don't know why. Maybe I had a sell at Rock Auto. I don't remember, to be honest with you. Oh, there's the receipt from Rock Auto. And it says this is power steering pressure and return line that I bought in 2014. So it's 4 years old. And hence why it's falling apart. That must be the low pressure and that must be the high pressure. So those are staying. And another. Oh, this is a receipt for a pitman arm. So I'm guessing there's a pitman arm in here somewhere. So, and stabilizer bar bushings, steering gear coupling. I must have bought a whole front end kit. So we'll just keep going, see what we can find. I really thought I had stuff to throw away, but it's turning out to be not the case. All right, here we go. These are parts from the air conditioning box, which is incredibly hard to find. But if you're a Galaxy guy and you need any of these cover pieces, this is what the evaporator core with the thermostat. Just hit me up and let me know what you need. All right. This is like Christmas. I don't even know what's in here. Holy jeez. I know what this is. This is spacer blocks for, I guess that's a 2-inch lift kit for my F-150. I got shackles and the bolts and the blocks. There's another good possibility for a giveaway, a subscriber giveaway. So these aren't going anywhere. Thought I was cleaning it out, but I'm really not. Here's a car cover for the station wagon that I got from the previous owner. As you can tell, it's not covered up. It's a good cover though. Maybe if I ever paint it or anything, I can use it. All right, now we're getting down to the good stuff. Evidently, I got it and I never even opened it up. I don't know what this is, but I'm excited. This is from 2014 also, so as you can see, it's been dried out. It's been sitting inside a car in South Louisiana for 4 years. Let's see what it is. It looks like it's in an original Ford box. Ooh. It is a very beat up new old stock box, but let's see what it is. They wrapped it really nice. Hopefully I didn't buy something and it's not. Ooh. Oh, look at that. It's a vacuum arm for the air conditioning. And it appears to be good, so I guess I'll keep that one too, unless somebody really needs it worse than I do. Jesus, didn't even know that was in there. We're keeping that. Maybe I don't have anything to throw away. There's 3 hubcaps and some trim for the car that I probably won't ever put back on. Okay, here's another one. I don't want to open it. I think it's another something for the air conditioning because it's from the same guy from the last box, so I'm not even going to open it. All right. right hand 69 taillight, new old Ford. And this was cracked when I bought it, so I had to go looking for one of these, and now I got a pristine one. Look at that. But I also found a complete kit. That one has a hole in it, but I'm gonna tape it with some red tape and you won't even know the difference, and keep this really nice one for the what happens just in case kind of thing. That ain't going in very nice. It's not cooperating. It needs to cooperate. So if you got a Mercury station wagon, you need one of these, let me know, and we could talk. But forgot that I even bought that. It's all coming back to me now, though. Here's a bag of lug nuts. Ooh, okay. What do we got here? Oh, there's a pitman arm, brand new pitman arm. We need that. Ooh, it's a box full of moog. So we got lower, upper, lower. Oh, what's it? CAB. I guess I'll have to look in them, but got an upper and a lower ball joints for both sides. Here's the ball joint. Nope, those are the control arm bushings. That's what a cab is, control arm bushing. I got those, and these must be another control arm bushing, a very long control arm bushing. I guess I gotta look at the receipt that was there. The same number, K8083 bushings, K8083. So we got two of each. And then K8082. And then I got, I'm guessing these are the control arm bearings. Or are they? Tie rod ends. Nope, ball joints. Lower and upper ball joints. So I got lower and upper ball joints. I got bushings for both control arms, upper and lower, and oh yeah, that's the pitman arm. The pitman arm goes in there, so I'm gonna scoot these back in here. And here's valve cover gaskets for this car. There's the receipts. This one again is from 2014, so I have to take me sneezing out of there. But I guess that's why my wife's been on me to do something with it, because it's been sitting here for 4 years, and I just collected parts and then moved on to other things, i.e. my salvage cars and fuel injection and so forth and so on. So I think it's time to show the station wagon some loving. I'm guessing this is the power steering. Ooh, let us look. It says coupler. Oh yeah, that's kinda steering connector, like the rag joint. Right there it is. And then, ooh. And a rebuilt power steering box. There it is. So Well, it looks like I got pretty much the whole front end to redo. So there you have it. That's what was in it. Ended up not cleaning anything out. Just knowing what's in there now, so I know I don't have to buy any front end parts. So I'll put it all back in neatly, and then hopefully soon we'll be working on it. So stick around for that, and thank you for watching. And I said in my other video, I'm just so super stoked that there's 200 subscribers of my channel that enjoy it. So as I said, there's a few things in here that I'm probably could part with if you need them, so let me know. And then a couple things I may give away for like a subscriber drawing, like at 250, and then maybe at 500. So I'm looking to the future. So thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed it, or find it interesting at least, please subscribe, and talk to you later. Bye.